Hello guys, welcome to the pen drive where I'm about to explain to you guys everything that you need to know before you start your trading journey. All right, so first thing first, welcome to the first chapter. Okay, so before we start trading guys, you guys need to know how to find the right broker. Okay, so first of all, there's a lot of brokers out there that you guys need to check whether they are safe, they are good, and they are reliable. The first most important thing for you guys to check for a best broker is number one is their regulation and safety. Why this is very important? Because when the brokers have regulation and safety, meaning that they have an excessive reserve to pay your withdrawal and also can make a very fast execution for deposit and also withdrawal. This shows that the brokers are stable by having such license. There's a four types of license that we need to know. First is FSA, which is from the UK. ASIC, this is from Australia. CSEC, this is for European country, and the last one is FSCA. This is for South Africa. If these brokers have one of these license or have at least more than one, it shows that the brokers are very good. The second one, what you guys need to know about the brokers is you guys need to take a look at the spread and their commission. If you guys go open any brokerage, for example like Vantage, Elevate or HFM website, you guys can see they are offering such a different account. And this is why, because every type of account have a different type of spread and commission. To make it simple, there's only two types mostly, which is we call it as a raw account and also standard account. What are the difference is normally for raw account you guys need to pay for the commission, but for standard account normally don't have no commission. So that's why if you guys join my channel, I always suggest you guys to choose the standard account, which is much more better because they don't have an extra commission for you guys need to pay. For example, late night swap, or you holding your position on the weekend, you guys swap for a couple of days because of you holding it. The third one is the trading platform. So for a trading platform, you guys need to take a look at the broker. Are the broker offering own trading platform? Normally, most broker will use MetaTrader 5 and also MetaTrader 4, which you guys can find both in Google Play and Apple App Store. And some broker also, they have their own platform for you guys to trade, for example like C Traders. So what makes it different? Normally, different platform can make it fast execution, but it's only like couples of seconds. And the fourth one, we need to see whether the deposit and the withdrawal is fast. So normally those brokers that have the license, they will have a good payment getaway and also have a good deposit and withdrawal. So for deposit and withdrawal, you need to take a look whether it is reliable, fast. Some broker may take to 3 days, but some broker may take to only like 3 minutes. So it depends on the brokers itself, so you guys need to take a look. Besides that, when we talk about deposit and withdrawal, you guys also need to check whether the brokers offer any local payment or not, because it is better for you guys to have a local payment broker. Why? So that if you guys have any problem with the withdrawal, you guys can deal with the local payment gateway itself. The fifth one, all right, last but not least, the trading condition. What is meant by the trading condition? You guys need to see whether the broker offering a good leverage. Is it offering a high leverage? It is good for those who having a small account. Besides that, is the broker offering such thing like a hedge account? So hedging account is a very good also because it means that you will have a full freedom on whatever the decision you guys want to make, whether you guys want to buy, whether you guys want to sell, whether you guys want to buy and sell in the same time on the same chart. So that's what makes it good. That's all for the first chapter. I'll see you guys on the next chapter down below. Thank you.